Assalamualaikum. My name is Widi Mutakin from Expose Academy. I am an entrepreneur and also an academic lecturer in computer graphic disciplines. This course is the continuation of the previous course, Blender 3D Essentials. So if you're new to Blender, I suggest that you take that course first before taking this one. In this course, we will learn the fundamentals yet very important things about 3D modeling. We're going to learn advanced mesh selection methods and advanced methods also on tweaking the selection. Learn how to quickly set custom shortcuts on modeling commands. Learn how to tweak 3D model using a lot of tools such as the knife tool, inset, extrude, bevel, loop cut, and so many more. Learn the difference between deleting, dissolving, collapsing, and how to patch holes in the geometry using various techniques. We will discuss in depth about the industry standards of what is considered to be bad practice versus best practice in terms of 3D modeling. We will also cover normal direction versus back face direction, then move on to face smoothing techniques to make our 3D model looks great while still maintaining the polygon count. We learn how to split, separate, and join objects. Learn how to use the matte cap correctly and ambient occlusion for extra realism in the viewport. We will also discuss the undo system in Blender, which is very unique compared to other software. Besides basic 3D modeling knowledge, this course also provides you with a lot of hands-on projects. We're going to revisit the previous two projects, which are kindergarten chair and a simple table. Then we're going to create wardrobe using precise real measurement unit. Then we're going to model this coffee table object. After that, we're going to create this security outpost from scratch, also with precise real measurement unit. And at the last project, we're going to escape from reality to fantasy object. We're going to create this fish submarine model from a sphere object and several plane objects until finish. After finishing this course, I recommend you to join my other advanced courses on Blender, such as Blender Advanced 3D Modeling, Blender Rendering with Cycles, Blender 3D Game Assets to Unity, etc. Join now and take your first step into 3D modeling using Blender.